Welcome back to my backyard snack yard on a rainy day here in Dorset, England. We're in the beginning of June still, and I just wanted to take you out here before the rain starts again to show you how my persimmon is doing. He's getting quite heavy with all the rain. See, these branches here are so long and they're getting really heavy. So much foliage. Last year we had some breakage up here and I had to cut it back right here. It just really broke and there were no fruit on it even, so it's just the leaves get really heavy. But I might need to do a good summer prune on it. But I want to show you my first ever persimmon flowers. They've started opening at last in the very wet and rainy times. Look at that. There's more over here as well. Get some better. There we go. They're just about to open, those ones there. Most of the flowers are in this area here. So, at least they're starting to open now. There's also some over here somewhere. Oh, here's one. So I'm just hoping to get a few this year. This is the first time it's ever flowered. And it'll be so nice just to try a persimmon or two from the tree. I love persimmons. They're so tasty. So it's amazing how heavy these leaves are, how heavy all the foliage is. It's just wonderful. And poor tree. I mean, honestly, the branches just need to get a bit thicker. I mean, they're just so spindly. And I did so much pruning. I think I'll have to cut a third of it off again this winter, but I don't want to cut too much during the summer. Maybe I'll just tie these two branches up. That makes a lot of sense. And I could do some summer pruning. It's always a good thing when they're this heavy already. It's just the rain that's just weighing them down. If you look at them, they're heavy, heavy, heavy with all the water. And all the leaves, everything here, just, yeah, really full and lush. I could do a little bit of like pruning here. Get some of the weight off it. I think that's really necessary. I must do that. Look down here too. Really heavy branches. And most of these branches, for some reason or other, don't have too much fruit on them. But actually, here's one I missed. There's a happy little sight. Look at that. I think with these flowers, they're really quite camouflaged. So there could be some hiding, just like this one, that I hadn't ever seen. How nice. That's a really happy sight. I hope there are lots more that are hiding in between all these branches and all this lush foliage. It's so lush, isn't it? It's so sort of tropical looking, really waxy leaves. Beautiful. See how they do, but I'll keep an eye on them and I'm hoping to get a little bit of fruit set. It would be so nice, but initially I'm just really happy to finally see this tree flower, because after 8 years, it's 8 years since I planted it, back in 2018, you start wondering if it's just ever going to happen. But it just needed time. It just needed to mature. And I think it liked the hot weather when we had a little week-long heat wave. So, really, really wonderful to see this. And I'll let you know how it goes, but just a little June update here. The flowers are coming along and hopefully we'll get some fruit this year. So thank you for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye for now.